Hi there crafters, it's Sheila Stanton with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are going to be making this card using a free celebration stamp set. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to bring in our Big Shot, and we'll start with that first. And I have the largest oval from the Layering Shapes and a piece of Whisper White. And then I also have the largest oval from the Layering Ovals, and that is with Pool Party. Alright, and we'll get this out of our way. So we'll start with our stamping. We're going to stamp on this stitched, and we are going to be using You Are Simply Amazing. And this is a free stamp set from Celebrations with a $50 order or more in my online store. Alright, so we're going to come in with the crushed curry first, and we're going to be using the Amazing, and that is mounted on block D. So just like that. And then we have Pear Pizzazz, and we are going to be using our Simply. And then next we're going to bring in Pool Party, and we're going to be using You. And that is mounted on block A, and the Our Simply is mounted on block G. So just like that, put that aside. And I have a piece of Designer Series paper from Whole Lot of Lovely, and this measures 3 3/4 by 5. And then I have a piece of crushed curry, and this is 4 by 5 1/4. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring in my mini chevron crushed curry ribbon, and I'm just going to cut a piece. And I'm going to put that on the middle here. Okay, and I'm going to bring in some regular Scotch tape. Alright, so just like that. And I'm going to come in with my snail. And then we're going to center this. Now, I don't use crushed curry that often, so I kind of wanted to make it the star of this card. Alright, so I'm going to put some adhesive on the back of this one, and then we'll layer that right on top, just like that. And then my card base is Pool Party, and it's cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and it's scored at 4 1/4. I'm going to come in with my snail adhesive once again. Just like that. And then I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Dimensionals. And I'm going to use about 6 of them. And I'm staying away from the middle here because of the ribbon. So this is a larger piece, so we need a little bit more dimensionals. Alright, so there you have it, a quick and simple card you can make to tell somebody that they're amazing, and you can earn this stamp set for free. Thanks for watching, and if you need any of the supplies, you can click on the YouTube description below.